to radio. So yes, we got the sound. So I got a mounting kit. I found an old one or something like that. And the finger thing that right there. Right it up a bit. So this is 99 3305. 99 the finger then. I only sell the 95 3305 couple things. And it does came with this, so I had to grab 99 3304 to make this fit because this radio requires a certain bracket, so it will go in like this because it's so the face is so big. You cannot just slide them in later. I mean, you can't just slide them at one time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it right here, and I'll put the screw on each side right here, 1 and 2 right here, and then same as the other side. This I got this 2 screw right here. Don't have to be over here. It's 2 right here. It's not gonna do anything. And once I'm done with everything, Coy is installing the wiring harness. The wiring harness you need, you don't have to buy them a crazy $200 harness. You can buy this wrap-gm-2105. All you have to do is making sure you hook up all the speaker wire, the remote wire, the power wire. Just match it. The only thing you don't want to hook up because it's this red wire. You can pull this red wire out right there because it's got no power. Pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out. So and then with this Android, it does have backup camera. It does have key 1, key 2. Those are for controlling the steering wheel control. It doesn't have that, so I'm gonna have them tape this thing and cut this thing right here. Cut this and tape them so that way it won't interfere with anything else. And then from the wire, oh, where's the red wire at? Oh, here, we need this red wire. Yeah, it doesn't look red for a minute, huh? I thought it was something else. This red wire is accessory wire, so we're gonna show you how to hook this red wire to the fuse. So that's the rest of them. Will tape them out. And the red wire over here, I tried the fuse over there. All the fuses are live. I mean 12 volt. Can't use them, so I'm gonna use this. Take a 7mm or a Phillips. It's got magnet. Got that off. Just pry it out, and then there's also some more 7mm right there. Just take that out. Magnet. So I got that out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hook up to the ignition. So we're gonna need a fuse. So we're gonna look for pink wire right here, okay? So I need a blade, Corey. So you got 2 pink wire. So you need to test them out to see which one is the accessory. So you want the fuse, there's 2 of pink. One of the pink wire is for the a windshield wiper, and then the other pink wire, when you put it in, and then when you turn the key to on position, the light will come on. Yep, the key is on, so it's on. That's what you want to use. You want to use a fuse, a 10 amp fuse, just in case something happened to blow the fuse. So you got the red wire hooked up to the pink wire right there. Make sure you hook up the right pink. You need a test light to do that because
you might end up not getting power because you're hooking up to the wrong pink wire. And I did have a fuse, 10 amp fuse right there. So I got the red wire as we planned it. Actually it looked pinkish, but it's red. So red wire to the red wire that I ran earlier. And I'm gonna plug it all thing back. I'm gonna use the he wanted the antenna, so I need a plug the yellow one right here to this. It should match. And then the green, which is the green purple, those are for the amp turn on. So, and making sure this blue wire is hooked up to the remote output, amp output. Mentioned on this Android system, you're gonna have to hook up this one. Amp, this comes with the jacks and everything. You need to hook it up to this one so you can get sound. Here's antenna. It's a AD-CR1. Don't dash 10 because it comes with a 10 in the pack. Plug that in. Now put the mounting kit right here in. I'm gonna grab the screw in the console. Just screw down here. So what I did, I put this mounting bracket in first because this one's gonna snap in right here, the radio. So I plugged the main harness in, I plugged the jacks in, and I plugged the GPS, I plugged the antenna that I mentioned to you about, and I plugged the USB right there. The USB, I'm gonna run it down there, you see right there, so they can plug the charging on that. Everything is good, so turn the key to on position and click that to radio. So yes, we got the sound. And definitely you can do a lot of other features. You pull it down, you go to Wi-Fi, you click on Bluetooth, turn on amp on. That thing doesn't work earlier. The remote wise output is bad. So, but everything else good and ready to go.